Hey all, we all have that one idea that once popped in our mind, but we couldn't pursue it because we don't know where to start. Everyone has been there, but it's gonna change. If you guys want to escape the 9 to 5 race and build an empire on your own, then this bootcamp is right for you. I'm Surendar and I'm the founder and CEO of TechieGen. With all the experience I've gained in building my own startup, I'm going to teach you the exact steps to build your dream company from scratch with no experience required. So after enrolling in my bootcamp, you'll be added into WhatsApp group and we'll be sharing the details over there and you will learn with a community of exciting students across in India. From brainstorming your ideas to getting a product market fit, I'll teach you this exact step-by-step process that I've used to scale TechieGen as a friend, not as an instructor. And it does not end there. At the end of the bootcamp, if your ideas are feasible, TechieGen will guide your startup in getting the right mentorship and funding. So see you at the bootcamp.